Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave YouTube channel. This is Henry and today we are going to take a look at silver. This is a 60 minutes chart here. Now we ended this with X in the intermediate degree at 26.2, and then since then we started to turn lower. That means we are currently within with Y, right? Within with Y, and within with Y to the downside, we should be, since you can see 1 and 2 here, this will end 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ending with A. So with Y is going to be in the form of a zigzag, right? It's going to be in the form of a zigzag, which is an ABC in the minor degree. So here is 1 of A, 2 of A, should be looking for more downside. So this decline, it does look like a 5 waves with an extension on the third wave, and as long as we stay below 26.2, we could potentially see another leg down and continue the correction to the downside. Now remember, it is a correction. Since this is labeled as an X, that means this sell-off is just a correction within a bullish trend. Okay, now let's zoom out, get some ideas of the larger degree and also the alternates. Let me put this X here in the proper place. So the X here is going to be this one, right? That's your X, and you got this 1, 2, 3, and let me see. So this is labeled as a C over here. So we're labeling it as some kind of a expanded flat, in which let me show it to you. This is a C, right? So this is a C, but this entire move, it looks like a 5 waves. So this could be your B and this could be your A. So it's an expanded flat from here, from W here. Okay, and then from here you can see we got, you can call this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? It is a 5 waves, and from this low in December last year, right, you got a 5 waves up, and then now looking to do a complex correction WXY with this X as an expanded flat here. So you're looking for a Y eventually, so you're gonna be looking for another ABC like this, right? And this A is gonna be 5 waves, so that's why you see this 1, 2 right here. And that will end the Y before possibly turning higher again. So overall then, it still favors the pull side overall, right? And we break above that, descending channel over here, retest it here one time. We could be doing a retest again, no problem about that, but the idea then is, if this is going to happen, the next support, if you use this one, WX, will be this area between 22.3, 23.7. This is potentially support area where you can see buyers from here, and then silver can have a chance to extend higher again. All right, so what about the alternate? What if it doesn't go down too much, right? Well, the alternate will be, you can simply, let's say you call this a 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you can just call this 3ish down finish. So let's say you call this with 1, and this you call it with 2, for example. And then this pullback is simply then a correction of this rally, if that's the case. But the pullback, it does look, so far it does look like a 5 swing or 5 waves. So that means even in a bullish scenario in which we will not see a lot of moves on the downside, but it can rally higher again, then we still have a potential that this is going into some sort of an ABC like this, right? It still has a potential to be ABC like this before going up, right? So in the alternate scenario, so to speak, right, this could be labeled as ABC from here, A, B, C, and we're just correcting the cycle and then rally again. So seems to me that further correction is going to be seen regardless whether this is looking to do this bigger correction here into 22.3, 23.7, or whether we are just correcting this rally here in a three swings and then going up again. So it seems like further correction can be seen still. Now, does it mean it is bearish? It's not bearish, right? Because we always prioritize the trend. We always prioritize the trend because the move down, if this is happening, is considered counter trend. Move down counter trend always can is in as general principle, counter trend is always weaker than the trend. So what that means is that counter trend always has the potential to stop or to end before what you think is a possible target on the downside. So it can always end earlier and then reverse because the trend is always going to be stronger than the counter trend. That's why I think this is going to be what this is saying. Is not necessarily this is bearish so sell it, but because it's turning down here, it's not like a red arrow. You can see here we prefer to trade only in the direction of the green or red right side tag. This in this case the tag is black turning down, so there is no bearishness on this outlook right now. So if assuming this is really going to go down within the Y leg, then what this is saying is actually you will have a better opportunity to be, if you're trying to be investing in precious metals, to buy at the lower levels between this area 22.3, 23.8 over here. Okay, so for further updates on silver, gold, or other precious metals, commodities, indices, stocks, you can try our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is provided in the description of the video. So I'll see you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.